Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to perform M2E Pro data migration properly. Let's start with highlighting the main points you should draw your attention to before starting the process. When planning to migrate from Magento 1 to Magento 2, you have to remember that the Magento data and M2E Pro extension data must be migrated separately. First, you need to migrate the Magento data. It is a separate process which is performed by your developers. Still, we have a few recommendations. All M2E Pro tables should be ignored in order to not be moved along with Magento data. Get familiar with inventory management feature as it's enabled by default in Magento 2 and it makes M2E Pro work a bit differently with product quantity. Before migrating your M2E Pro, you need to ensure that all data in your Magento 2 catalog is up to date, since after migration is completed, all the updates will be performed based on those data. We recommend creating a backup of your Magento 1 and M2E Pro data in case you need to restore it. Once you confirm the migration running, the process cannot be stopped. Make sure to install the proper M2E Pro extension versions. You can find up-to-date info about suitable versions in our migration guide. Right after your Magento data is fully transferred, you can start migrating your M2E Pro. For that, click the Proceed button in Magento 2 to start the migration wizard. The hints will guide you to perform the migration. The next step would be to start the migration process in your Magento 1. Don't forget that this action will completely disable M2E Pro in your Magento 1 and it cannot be enabled back. Now you need to wait a bit until the system stops all the tasks in your M2E Pro in Magento 1, put the extension under the maintenance and prepare its database for migration. Once done, you need to create a dump of all the M2E Pro tables and import them to the database of your Magento 2. Then go back to the migration wizard and click Continue. The imported data will be adapted to the Magento 2 environment. Be ready that it can take some time for all the data to be processed. That's it. Now you need to enable the automatic synchronization and complete the wizard. If you need to finalize your setup and you want to keep the synchronization disabled for some time, it's up to you. You can enable it at any moment here. After the migration, all the updates will be performed based on Magento 2 catalog values. Orders start coming right after the synchronization is enabled. The orders placed during the migration process will be also imported to your M2E Pro and Magento. If the domain of your Magento is changed after the migration, you should get a new M2E Pro extension key on our client's portal. After that, insert it in your Magento to ensure correct data synchronization. This video is a short overview. Please make sure you read our migration guide before you start the migration.